Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error that is XAPOFX1_5.dll. So if you are receiving this error message while launching any game or any application on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to install DirectX. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on download. Now a exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Agree to the terms. Click on next, and let the installation complete. And once this is installed, restart your computer and then try to launch your application or game. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10. So copy this command. The command is provided in the video description, and then open run box, type in run, and then open run box and type in this command in this run box, then click on OK. It will open Windows settings, Windows 10 settings. Click on check for update, and here you can see there is an update, so click on download and install. And once the installation is done, restart your computer and then you can try to open the application again. Now in case if you're not using Windows 10, if you're using Windows 7, you can run this command in run box. So instead of running the first command, run the second command in Windows 7 computer and then click on OK, and then update your Windows 10. Update your Windows 7 or Windows 8. Now the next step is to download the DLL file directly from this website. So you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, scroll down, and here you can see 32-bit and 64-bit download file. Now you have to go ahead and check which system type you have, whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit. For that you can go ahead and type in msinfo32 and then click on system information, or you can open run box and then type in msinfo32 and then click on OK. And here you should be able to see whether you have 64-bit or 32-bit. So if you have 32-bit, download this file. If you have 64-bit, download this file. So click on download. Now once the download is complete, you have to go ahead and open this zip file. So click on show in folder, go to the download location, make a right click, then click on extract all. Click on extract, and then copy this DLL file, that is XAPOFX1_5.dll. Make a right click, copy this, and then now if you have 32-bit system, then you have to go to this location. So open File Explorer on your computer and then go to this PC or computer and open C drive. And I'm showing for if you have 32-bit system. So open Windows folder. Once you open the C drive, open Windows folder, then look for this folder, that is syswow64. So it's syswow64. You have to open this folder, then make a right click and paste it over here. I already have it, so if you have this, click on replace. If you don't have it, paste it over here, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer. Now in case if you have 64-bit, then in that case you have to open the C drive, and then you have to open the Windows folder, then you have to open system32 folder, and then you have to go ahead and paste the file, that DLL file over here. And then once this is pasted over here, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer after that, and then you can go ahead and try to launch the game or application. In case if you are receiving this error message with game, then once you download the file, once you copy the file from here, you can also copy and paste it to the game installation folder. So go to the game folder and paste the file over there in that game folder, and that error should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe.